Good day, all. It's Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Yeah, out here on Vancouver Island. Beautiful day. No jacket needed. Doing my 420. So again, happy 420 all. I'm out with the dog Genghis. Hey boy, what you doing? Hey, can we go play in the water? Go get it. Good boy. So yeah, I'm out with the dog doing my 420. Happy 420 all. Again, it's a beautiful sunny day. This used to be Broom Brush Haven. Now it's all torn down. It's all open walkway. So a day like today, February 24th, out with Genghis on his little island there. Wishing all happy 420 from Loner 420 House. Come here, boy. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Oh, he doesn't know how deep the water is. Come on, Genghis. Let's go. All right, Loner 420 House signing out.